Have you ever imagined that one day, China's aircraft manufacturing industry could stand shoulder to shoulder with Boeing and Airbus? Can you picture a large aircraft entirely made in China soaring through the skies? Is this technology even feasible? As a seasoned blogger with over 30 years of experience in aerospace and maritime technology, today I want to share the latest developments in China's efforts to localize its large aircraft supply chain. AVIC Xifei has already increased its annual production capacity for the C919 fuselage to 50 units per year, and AECC, Aero Engine Corporation of China, has completed high-altitude testing for the CJ1000A engine. These milestones signify an acceleration in China's domestic production of large aircraft. In this article, we'll explore 1. The background and significance of localizing the large aircraft supply chain. 2. AVIC Xifei's capacity increase and its impact. 3. Progress in the development of AECC's CJ1000A engine. 4. The status of domestic substitution in 3 core areas: airframe structure, avionics systems, and power plants. 5. Comparative analysis with international cases. Let's dive into these topics and see how China is achieving this remarkable feat. Part 1. Background and significance of localizing the large aircraft supply chain. In recent years, with China's rapid economic growth and continuous advancements in technology, the country has significantly increased its investment in the aerospace sector. As a crucial part of national strategic emerging industries, the localization of the large aircraft industry holds significant strategic importance. Firstly, the large aircraft industry involves not only high-end manufacturing but also fields such as materials science, electronic engineering, and automation control. It plays a vital role in driving technological progress across the entire industrial system. Secondly, localization reduces reliance on external supply chains, enhancing national security. Lastly, through innovation and technological breakthroughs, China can gain a competitive edge in the international market, boosting its overall competitiveness. Specifically, the localization process not only elevates the technical capabilities of domestic enterprises but also promotes the development of related industries. For example, the application of composite materials reduces aircraft weight while improving structural strength and durability. Additionally, the introduction of digital manufacturing technologies further enhances production precision and efficiency. Imagine if all aircraft had to rely on imported parts, it would be like handing your fate over to someone else. Now, China can produce its own large aircraft, giving it wings powered by Chinese hearts. No more worries about being held back. Every time I see those intricate devices and complex circuits, I'm in awe of the engineers' ingenuity. They are truly changing the world with their technology. Part 2. AVIC Xifei's capacity increase and its impact. AVIC Xifei, one of China's largest aircraft manufacturers, has made significant progress in the production of the C919 fuselage. Currently, its annual production capacity has been increased to 50 units, meaning China now has the capability to produce more commercial aircraft within a shorter timeframe to meet both domestic and international demand. To achieve this capacity increase, AVIC Xifei implemented several measures. Optimizing production processes, introducing advanced automated production lines to improve efficiency, enhancing quality management, establishing strict quality control systems to ensure every aircraft meets standards, expanding supply chain cooperation, building long-term relationships with multiple suppliers to ensure stable raw material supplies. These measures not only boosted production capacity but also laid a solid foundation for future development. For instance, internal assessments revealed that optimizing production processes reduced the production cycle by nearly 30%, significantly enhancing overall efficiency. It's like injecting a shot of adrenaline into the production line, allowing for the manufacture of several times more aircraft. Seeing the busy workers and technicians fills me with energy. Every time a new aircraft rolls off the assembly line, I can't help but applaud their hard work. I hope to see more Chinese large aircraft flying in the skies soon. Part 3. Progress in the development of AECC's CJ1000A engine. Apart from the fuselage, engines are another critical component of large aircraft. AECC, a leading Chinese manufacturer of aviation engines, has successfully completed high-altitude testing for the CJ1000A engine, indicating high reliability and performance. Key features of the CJ1000A engine include high-performance design, utilizing the latest turbofan technology to improve fuel efficiency and thrust. High reliability, multiple tests have verified its stability under various extreme conditions. Environmental efficiency, meeting international environmental standards to reduce carbon emissions and noise pollution. According to public data, the CJ1000A engine offers approximately 15% better fuel efficiency than existing comparable products, which is crucial for reducing operational costs and enhancing market competitiveness. It's like equipping the aircraft with a superheart, enabling it to fly farther and more efficiently. Every time I see engineers fine-tuning the engines, I feel they're like magicians, turning the impossible into reality. I hope to see more Chinese large aircraft taking to the skies soon. Additionally, Airbus encountered challenges with engine delivery delays for its A320neo series. In comparison, AECC's CJ1000A engine has successfully completed high-altitude testing, showcasing high reliability and performance. Specifically, Boeing's 737 MAX faced a trust crisis following multiple accidents, leading to a drastic drop in orders. Meanwhile, Comac C919 has gradually earned market recognition for its high quality and reliability. According to market research data, the C919 has exceeded 1,000 orders, showing robust growth potential. It's like two veteran players facing a young challenger. While experienced, they sometimes falter. Our Chinese large aircraft, however, emerges as a dark horse, steadily gaining prominence through solid technology and continuous innovation. I hope to see more Chinese large aircraft flying in the skies soon. The localization of China's large aircraft supply chain is not just a technological breakthrough but also a testament to the country's comprehensive strength. Each successful production and delivery is the result of countless hours of dedication by researchers and engineers. The acceleration of this localization process fills us with confidence for the future. If you found this article helpful, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.